Estimation of working capital, please let me know. Anyone facing any problem? I think yesterday also we have done. Many questions. Based on working capital, and you must have understood the fundamental is nothing but considering. See, labor and overhead is very simple. I told you there will be two places where labor and overhead will be used. One, your in work in progress. Okay, I told you you can consider it as Gundawa Ata. Okay, whereby you have to take labor and overhead 50-50% until unless something is specified in the question. If something is specified, I told you the reason also. The reason being, from work in progress to reach to the finished goods, we need not require labor again. What we need not require material again. What we required the labor and overhead. Okay, so that is why universally it is accepted that once you are taking for calculation of material amount, WIP amount, actually what basically we are calculating here in estimation of working capital, how much amount we require to hold the material. ओके ये मटेरियल अगर मेरे पास पड़ा रहेगा तो उसके लिए मुझे कितने पैसे की जरूरत है, उसी तरह WIP पड़ा रहेगा तो मुझे कितने पैसे की जरूरत है, डेटर्स के लिए मुझे कितने पैसे की जरूरत है. That is basic requirement of my working capital. And from all the current asset, if I am deducting the current liability, that will be my subsequent requirement of working capital. इसलिए many a times what is happen, जितना हम लोग कैलकुलेट करते हैं ना, इसमें भी बोलता है कि you add something. You might face certain question, thereby they will ask add contingencies or reserves. Okay, anything 5%, 10%, 20%. So then we will add that value over here, and then final estimation of working capital comes, because it is projection, it is not exact, it is not accurate. Yes, how many of you have solved few questions based on this? Let me see, let me check. Nishtha, Anurag, can you show your assignment book whereby you have completed few questions on working capital? Roll number 77497856. थोड़ा बताओ बेटा बच्चों को. And same thing I expected from others also, but they haven't done, which is very bad. Nishta, you can unmute so that it will be, yes, then only it will be visible to others. And as you know, whenever you do something, I give the marks, internal marks for this. Eh? Just wait. Oh, I'm so sorry. Yeah, please go ahead.
So,
wait, let me open my attendance sheet, mark sheet आप लोगों का.
Sir, my this part is wrong. Outstanding wages part is wrong.
क्यों? कौन सा क्वेश्चन था बेटा?
Sir, this is fourth one only which you showed just now.
क्या मिस्टेक
I
किया
took
आपने?
2 weeks.
क्या मिस्टेक किया था बेटा आपने?
Sir, I took 2 weeks.
Okay, and wherever it is given in the question, how many weeks?
Sorry, sir.
क्वेश्चन में कितने वीक दिए थे बेटा? कितने दिन का
Sir,
आउटस्टैंडिंग?
I don't remember. Sir, I need to check
कौन
once.
सा क्वेश्चन है बता?
Fourth wala.
Fourth वाला ना, 178 पेज पे था ना. सॉरी, 148 पे था. हाँ, 47. हाँ, यस, 1 वीक है बेटा. वेजेस के लिए इट्स 1 वीक, ओवरहेड के लिए
Okay,
बराबर
sir.
है.
Okay,
Wages
sir.
के लिए it's 1 week. So kindly rectify. Okay, but you have done it, so you must have got an idea. Very nice.
Yes, sir, I've done the fifth question also.
Very good. Show us. It's 7749. Wait, let me give you marks for this.
Sir, वो थोड़ा ऊपर नीचे हो गया.
Very nice. Have you tallied the answer which is there in the textbook?
Yes, I
7749.
suppose.
अच्छा, आपका आप ये भी है ना, आप लीडर भी हो आपके ग्रुप के. आपके ग्रुप के सारे बच्चों का काम हो गया है?
Yes, sir, हो गया है.
Okay, very nice. Very good. There was another student और एक student था जो बोल रहा था.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, Anurag is also very sincere. Yeah, Anurag.
Sir, this is the format.
Very nice.
Then this is the fourth sum. Even I have done that mistake of 2 weeks one, but I will correct that.
Okay.
Yeah. And this
This
is the fifth
question तो
one.
अपन ने कल करा ना? This question
हाँ
भी.
सर, वो तभी ऑन द स्पॉट लिखा नहीं था, इसके लिए मिस्टेक.
Okay, okay. And the second one was?
And this is the fifth one. Fifth one.
Okay, you got the answer also.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So, Parth. Okay, let us give the chance to Parth also. 7753. अनुराग, आपका रोल नंबर क्या था बेटा? अच्छा, 87856.
7856.
There is last student, Parth, 7753. See, I want this kind of attentiveness by all the learners. जैसे ये 3-4 बच्चे देखो कैसे immediately कल टॉपिक खत्म हुआ, they started practicing. See, as much as you practice, that much your base about that topic will enhance. So try to do the practice immediately. Now, of course, you will get entire week ka time. Now we'll be meeting on Monday. So by that, so every student will do it. I know. Almost all the student by Monday will be doing it. But आपने एक दिन में करा, that is something very appreciable.
So this is illustration 4 and this one is illustration 5
Very good.
and
Very
the
good.
format is also done.
7753. Very good part.
And sir, I did the 1 week only. So yeah.
Very good. 53. आपको भी लीडर बनाया गया? आपके ग्रुप का सब बच्चों का हो गया?
Yes sir,
Okay.
they are completed.
Very nice. तो चलो, मेरी तरफ से मार्क्स का भी हो गया. So today I wanted to do the practice of different kind of question for all of you. I told you, you have multiply cost per unit with the quantity, you got the total amount. So if there is a total amount given in the question, it will be more or less same, but you will not multiply the quantity with cost per unit. Okay, you will not multiply the quantity with cost per unit. That kind of question we will be going to deal now. So if such, and there, as I told you just now, there could be some kind of adjustment there whereby they may ask you to add the contingency or reserve, and that is why I've asked you to first solve the solved illustration. First solve the solved illustration. These two questions so we did yesterday only. Okay. Then these all questions are based on same kind of fundamental where the cost per unit is given and quantity is given. You multiply, take all the current asset, deduct remaining current liabilities. Automatically, you will get the estimated working capital. No problem. Okay. And but be very careful whenever it comes to work in progress. Okay, thereby you have to consider material as 100% and labor and overhead as 50-50%. Why? Because gunda hua aata is the stage which is known as work in progress. In question also, when they have solved, what they did, they have multiplied them into per unit and they have written the total value. No problem. That way also you can do it. No, but follow your own standard pattern. Quantity multiplied by per unit, rate multiplied by period which is given for the calculation as specified in the format. Okay, annual quantity into cost per unit multiplied by period if it is given in weeks divided by 52. But in yesterday question only we found they were not keen for giving us 52 weeks. They have considered 50 weeks. So we will take, I mean, whatever the things is given in the question, accordingly we'll take our solution and we'll go ahead. So today I have selected one question, which was question number 13, 14. Okay. Now here you cannot multiply by quantity and per unit. Is that feasible? No. Why? Because that they have given total value only. So there is no harm, because ultimately if you are multiplying the quantity with per unit, it will give you total value only. It's like 1,56,000 into 10. So 15,60,000 is total amount only. Yes or no? These two, if you are multiplying, what is this? What it will represent? It will represent entire amount. Yes or no? Yes. Thank you, Prajna. So in some question, they will give you the quantity and cost per unit. In some question, they will give you total amount. If they are giving total amount, we need not have to multiply, as we are finding in question number 40, which is there on page number 156. Okay. So here it is given as, from the following details, you are required to make on assessment requirement amount of working capital required by AB Limited. Okay. Average period of credit is given. Raw material purchase 4 weeks. Wages 1 week. Outstanding rent taxes 3 months. Salaries 2 months. Overhead 1 month. Sales on cash basis. So there is no credit sales. On credit basis 3 months. average stock and WIP directly calculated, so we did not have to worry about. Average amount of undrawn profit is not my concern. Okay, with that we have to deduct from the cost. Yes. So, chalo, let us do question number 14, page number 156. AB Limited. If name of the company is given, always mention the name of the company and then you mention the unit. Okay, statement of estimated working capital for AB Limited for whatever the unit, or even after that unit also written is no problem. Kindly draw the format, all of you. Completed. This all will change. So what current asset we have? Tell me, what are the current asset you are finding here? करंट एसेट में क्या है? एक तो डेटर्स है, और दूसरा क्या है? WIP. This average period of credit is liability. हाँ, दो ही मुझे करंट एसेट दिख रहा है. Yes or no? Yes, Thank you, Harsh. I am finding only two current assets. One is debtors, other is WIP. Overhead credit है बेटा, overhead outstanding है. Just check. Overheads are not asset. These are liability. इतने पीरियड का क्रेडिट मिला है. So these are liabilities for us, current liabilities. Okay, Parth? So I'm finding only two assets. Let me check. Yes, these are only two assets we have. चलो. तो current asset में क्या क्या है? One is debtors. Debtors के लिए कितना दिया हुआ है? 3 months, 47 lakh. 3 months, 47 lakh. 3 months, 47 lakh into 3 months. How much answer you are getting? And this time WIP stock is given. Is given. का वैल्यू बताओ कितना आया? WIP कितना दिया हुआ है? 5 lakhs. Get me the value of debtors. Then I'll take all the current liabilities. $47 lakh into 3 months divided by 12 months. I haven't received the answer from you all. $11,75,000. So what is the total value of my current asset? 16,75,000. Okay. Now out of that we will have to deduct liabilities, current liabilities. In liabilities what we have? Raw material. Okay. 4 weeks. So I will write. It's given as 4 weeks. What is the amount of material? 13 lakhs. 13 lakhs into 4 weeks divided by 12 weeks. How much you are getting answer as? Then wages, 1 week. Wages 1 week. What was the cost of wages? 3,25,000. सॉरी 12 वीक नहीं होगा ना, 52 वीक होगा. Here it is 3,25,000. 3,25,000. One week. Overhead, outstanding. Okay. Rent, rates and taxes, 3 months. Rent, rates and taxes, 3 months. $50,000. So 50,000 into 3 months. Divide by 12 months. How much you are getting? सबका कैलकुलेशन करके मुझे अमाउंट रेडी रखो. नेक्स्ट इज सैलरी 2 months, overhead 1 month. Overhead is also given 1. Overhead is 80,000. Just get me all these answers. One more is there, salary. Two months. $40,000. Get me all these outstanding overheads, expenses, valuation. Let me put them. Okay, thank you. I got the answer from Samiksha, Harsh, Ankur, Kajal. Very nice. बाप रे, लोगों ने आंसर दे दिया, मैंने तो लिखा ही नहीं था. Are you getting this answer? Creditor as 1 lakh. Have you got the answer? Creditor as 1 lakh. Okay. चलो अभी मैं अपने बच्चों के आंसर से ही लिखता हूँ पहले. Creditors 1 lakh. Thank you. Here it is 1 lakh. The labor 6,250. Labor 6,250. Then overhead 6,667. Very nice. Rent rates 12,500. And salary 6,667. So what is the total of your current liability? How much is the total? Be quick. Yes. 1,32,084. Yes, very nice. I'll take from here only. Hers has given me answer. Aise Baba. So I will deduct this much to this much. How much you are getting? 16 lakh minus 1,32,084. Quickly.